So we got our first look into the new headset from Samsung. And the pause is because I don't want to say Apple, but it's hard not to. This is the Samsung Vision Pro. I'm joking about the name. I'm joking about the name. It looks a lot like the Apple Vision Pro. That's the joke. And here's what I'll say about it, right? It's going to. It's the same thing when the Z Fold series took off and became very successful. Every foldable phone manufacturer started copying it. Now the copy is, you want to copy OnePlus. That's just how it is. Whatever is successful, whatever is working, you're going to see a copy and paste from a lot of different companies. And the Apple Vision Pro, while it is a beautiful device, amazing device, I don't own the device because of a $3,500 price tag range, still a really great device. So, and everything how it's structured works. Now, with Apple, not many things are optimized for the device, not many things work on the device, so that's really the biggest problem. Still a great device. Samsung has the ability to work with Google and have Google apps work on the device and get that to work out. So it's a really cool idea. Has Galaxy AI features, and to be honest, I'm very excited for this said device, as long as it doesn't cost $3,500, and hopefully it ends up being really good. But at the same time, it's going to be very much like the Apple Vision Pro. That's pretty much what it's going to be. Hopefully for a cheaper price, but I highly doubt it. I would assume that this is anywhere from $2,500 to $4,000, and that's kind of where I see this landing. I don't think it's going to be any cheaper than that, based on the fact that they really don't, like, you look at the demographic for this device, the customer base for this device, and it's going to be people who have a lot of money to spend, who have extra money to spend, who can just throw money here and there, or for companies that want to use this in the workplace for their employees to get more production down and more production done, like a tech company, or maybe like a tech school, right, that has the extra budget to buy these. That's really the main marketing probably for this, I would assume. I don't assume that this is going to be the average everyday consumer. You know, that's why they had the Meta Quest. I know that Samsung doesn't do it, but they had the Meta Quest devices, PSVR 2. That's more for gaming and the average consumer. This most likely will be for more of a production type aspect where you're in it to be able to actually have real life and mixed reality and get more work done. Pull up your monitor, pull up your PC, file share, right? That's what this will be more for. But I'll see you guys next one, though.